It's time to stop doing props like this.
Oh, hell no.
So I have a say function that takes in props as an object and logs the hello and world parameters of that props object. Running this code gives us hello world as expected. The problem with using props like this is that you don't actually know what the props are without looking at the place that calls them. What I mean by this is, say you had a large React project and you were to call this function from a different file without either analyzing the function, which usually would be significantly larger than this, or by going back to whatever file calls this function, you don't know what the props are. To solve this problem though, we can use something called object destructuring. This is an example of object destructuring. Instead of passing through the props object, we're passing through the destructuring of the props object into its hello and world components respectively. This means that A, we don't have to reference props every single time we want one of those input variables, and secondly, and probably more importantly, we can see exactly what we have access to right from the declaration of the say function itself. And as before, we get hello world.